Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the top 7 side hustle ideas. If you have any questions, if you would like to talk more about getting your side hustle up to snuff so that it is supporting you full time, book a session using the link in the comments. Don't forget to tap like and subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video. By the end of this video, you'll have some ideas on how to earn extra money, turn a side hustle into a full-time career so you can quit your 9-to-5, or just have fun doing hobbies that earn you money. The first one is freelance writing and editing. I will include links down below to the platforms and the websites that I found useful when I was doing this research. Fiverr and Upwork have postings for freelance writing and editing in various contexts. If you are a healthcare professional like me, you can also find a lot of this in medical literature, insurance policies. It sounds thrilling, I am aware, but hey, it's extra money and you can do it from home. It's a remote position. The second one is digital art creation. If you make an account on a couple of different platforms, one would be Etsy. You can publish your digital artwork or templates for monthly planners, guides to certain things that you are good at, for instance, a workout guide, a meditation guide, etc. You can post those. They're unlimited. You don't have to print them. People will pay for the PDF. They get it immediately and it doesn't run out. You can earn as much money as you want and it's passive after you've created it. Another option for platform would be something called ArtStation, and you can post your artwork on that website and sell it based on whatever price. I'm not sure, I haven't done it yet. The third one is graphic and web design. If you are good with software, if you're good with creating digital art, utilize that. You can create websites for new startup businesses, for individuals that maybe might be technologically challenged like me. You can create marketing and advertising campaigns for others, and you can post them as a job available for someone to purchase on a couple of different platforms like Fiverr. I use that one most frequently. If you are wanting to practice with creating graphic and web design, Canva is a great option. You can use the free profile or you can pay monthly. I do that and it's fantastic. I'm not even paid to tell you this. I just love it. Canva's great. Procreate is great for graphic and web design. Stock photography is an interesting concept because I always imagined that stock photography was not sought after and not used very often, but it very much is, especially as the digital world and AI develops. Stock photography, high quality photos of still life, things for advertising are sought after according to my research. You will want to make sure that you have a camera capable of taking high resolution photos. I looked on, what is it called? ArtStation is one of them. There's another one, I believe it's called Alamy, and there's a disclaimer that says most iPhone cameras are not able to capture the resolution that we're looking for. So you will need an official camera, Canon or a Nikon, with a card to upload the photos with the appropriate resolution so that they can qualify for being purchased and used in their advertisements. The fifth one is digital product creation. I know we talked a second ago about digital art. This is different. This is an e-course, e-books, so it's a bit above digital art creation where maybe when you create a template, a PDF, or a piece of art that's one page, this is creating a full course where it's a website with clickable links. It's made for a company that would like to offer the course as a product, software as a service, essentially. This can earn you passive income, especially if it does not require interaction with the client. And some people can scale this up to be full-time income, depending upon your skills. I'm still learning. I'm working on my own e-course, working on my own e-books. I just finished my first book, have not yet to print it. So it's technically an e-book. We'll see how it goes. I'll let you guys know. One is Handmade Art. I love Etsy. I have an Etsy store. I'll include it down below if you want to check it out. Mine is mainly plants, but if you like making arts and crafts, if you like making jewelry, if you like making paintings, physical, tangible goods, those are still very popular. For a while, there was a trend. It was bracelets for concerts and for football games. Really, really lucrative high yield hobby where you're making little charm bracelets, selling them for $10 a piece to thousands of people, and then look how much money you've made. I think it could go really well. So making an Etsy shop is very straightforward. Maintaining it's very straightforward. It's very low cost to keep your listings up. Just try to keep your products up to date as far as what you have in stock. Make sure that it's associated with the correct seasons. I had a Christmas card I created as a template and it was up until June, so I had to take it down. Nobody wants to see candy canes in June, right? The 7th one is e-commerce. Platforms for e-commerce, marketplaces. I don't know much about drop shipping. Basically, you coordinate shipping a product that has already been created from your platform. If you make your own e-commerce platform, you ship the product from the manufacturer to your client, eliminating your need to produce the product, but offering yourself as the liaison between the client and the manufacturer. Affiliate marketing is one. I have included one of mine. I'm a brand ambassador for a clothing brand. And if you like this shirt as much as I do, it says I ghosted your dad on it, which I did. I'll include down below. You get a percentage off if you use my code STORM. Affiliate marketing you can also do with Amazon, so you can make your own list. If you have a social media presence, you can include the links to your affiliate marketing partners. Every time someone purchases a product using your link, you earn commission for it. What side hustles have worked for you all? What questions do you have? Don't forget to hit like and subscribe down below so you get notified next time we post a video. And let me know in the comments if you're gonna try out any of these or if you've had any success. And I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.